Hey everyone, welcome back to my modded mini. Today we're going through changing the door check straps. I wanted to get some more red into the interior. Here's an opportunity, little piece of red strap. First things first, big Phillips head screwdriver, taking the car side off because you can't get to the inside of the bolts if you've got them around the right way, which I don't. Take these off. The other side on your door, there's a couple of nuts on the inside, big Phillips head screwdriver. Then laid it all out to see what I had there. I just wanted to give it a touch up with paint as well. Went over and saw some friends, Toby and Mick, over at Mini Spares and Repairs in Seaford. They had a couple of old racing harnesses there. They cut a section off for me. I brought them back, washed it all up, dried them off, and they came out good as new. Once this was dry, I laid it all out, put the black strap on top of it so I knew how long it needed to be and where the holes needed to be. Cut it off with a Stanley knife so it was nice and sharp, a nice clean cut, and then just used one of the little mini blow torches that you get from Bunnings or any of the hardware joints. Any of these straps are plastic essentially, so anything that's hot will melt it and make it so that it doesn't fray. Grabbed out an aluminium rivet, warmed up the end of it with the same blowtorch until it gets nice and hot, and that way you get a nice clean hole through any of these straps that you're trying to put bolts through later. You've got to make sure it's big enough for the bolt to go through, because once you've melted this hole, it actually goes pretty rigid and inflexible, so it's a bit harder to get the actual bolt through itself. None of this needs to be super precise, you're just putting bolt holes through it. It's got the big black washers, like the rectangle washers that go over and cover up any of these sort of stuff-ups. So yeah, once you punch these out, it's pretty easy to go, and you just fold it in half then. I gave them a bit of a touch up with paint. Didn't wait long enough for the paint to dry, so it left black marks on the strap the first time I put it on, so I had to cut another piece off, start that one again, and that was just doing a bit of a test fit. This is one that I put on earlier, and then when I went back over to Mini Spares, Toby told me that I'd put it on around the wrong way, so I had to take this one off again. I just thought to show you this is how not to put them on, and then I reversed it so that you can't actually see those bolt heads or screw heads when it's around the right way. Have to take it off the car obviously first. It goes onto your door is the first one, because otherwise you can't get the screwdriver in there to do it. Once that's on, then your door checks are good to go. So got rid of some more black, put some more red in there, and pretty happy with how it looks. Finished product, doing what it's meant to do, won't let your door fly forward. Closes up nicely and adds a little red touch again. Thanks everyone, as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.